That's working this video, and here is this text. So with the link that you are going to use to check your Wassce results, okay, just check in the comment section and then just tap on the link. So when you just tap on the link to bring you to this website, and you are going to just fill the form, but they will ask of your serial number and also your pin. So for you to get your pin, just check in the comment section and then send your message and then get your pin at a low price. Okay, so when you just get your pin and then also your serial number, and then you are going to use that one to just enter, tap on it to proceed, and then you will get a PDF of your results. Okay, you can just download it on your device and then you can just go and print it anytime that you are free. Okay, so this is how you can just check your results by just using the link. And then when you just tap on the link, you just fill the forms, enter your school, enter your index number, enter those details that will be needed, and then proceed, submit, and get your results and know how you perform. And after checking, just come back and tell me what you got. Okay, and I wish you all the best as you check. Okay, so stay alive and I will see you in the next video.